Croppa is a unique mobile app built to help you track your vegetable garden progress and grow with confidence, no matter where in the world you live. Here's how it works. Start by using Croppa's intuitive garden editor to create a bird's-eye view of your actual garden layout, complete with garden beds and pathways. Then record what you planted and where. Choose the plant type, variety, and stage of growth, and Croppa will calculate expected germination and harvest dates automatically. Now you can stay on top of your garden's progress anytime. Check today's status, review past plantings, or fast forward to see how your garden will grow. Throughout the season, record your harvests, notes, and photos to build a complete visual history of your gardening journey, all securely backed up in the Croppa cloud. Learn how to grow over 70 types and over 1,000 varieties of vegetables, grains, and fruits. Discover the best planting times for your growing zone and optimize space using square-foot gardening principles. Croppa is truly an amazing tool for all gardeners. Plant, record, and learn with Croppa, the vegetable gardening app. Download it today.